Hi everybody, this is Miss Fred. This is a tutorial how to use Cami on your phone if for some reason you were having a problem. So what you want to do is open up your browser on your phone. It doesn't matter if you have an iPhone or an Android, and you want to type in camiapp.com and you'll get to this screen here. Then what you're going to do is go up to the three bars, which sometimes we refer to them as a hamburger. You'll click on that. It'll bring down your screen and you're going to sign in. So you will use your Google sign-in from your school account because that's how Cami is set up for you. If you scroll up, then what you're going to see are the different assignments that you possibly were working on from class because they're loaded into your account, and you can just double click on that. So I'm going to double click this guy here. I'm going to authorize my Google Drive so I can go ahead and open that up. And then I get this quiz that I had from last week. And of course, it's super small. Again, this is your phone because I want to show you how to insert a picture because some of you had problems with that. And originally you loaded it into your drive and looked for it in your drive and then it didn't work. So if you go ahead and open up the Add Media, click, you will see a folder at the top. So if you have your picture on your phone, this is much easier. So it's going to pull straight from your, it says my computer, but it's really pulling from your photos in your library. And then you can insert your photo in directly inside Cami. So that should actually help a bunch of you that were having issues finding it in your drive. So much easier. Okay, the next thing I want to show you is how to take a picture. So if you get an error in Cami that says, oh my goodness, the picture is in the wrong format, or it's too big, or it just won't insert. If you go to your Android store, or in my case, it's the iTunes store, or no, the App Store, what you need to look for is photo to JPEG. So we're going to take that photo and transfer it over into JPEG or JPEG converter, something like that. Okay, so this is a scan document, and this is for PDF, but we don't want that. What we actually want is something that looks like the second one. I'm going to scroll to the top so you know which one I'm looking at, with the Eiffel Tower. We want something that's going to convert our photos into JPEG, PNG, or something of that sort. You can see right here, I've got a couple options. So I'm going to go ahead and open this JPEG PNG. So I already downloaded it on my phone, and it was free. So it says, I want to go ahead and convert it now. So I'm going to load a picture in. And let's see. I'll just put in this one. And then you can go ahead and convert it and save. Okay, so I'm going to save it as a JPEG. It doesn't matter. You can just save it as a JPEG or a PNG file. It doesn't make any difference. That's going to convert if you're having a problem with the size of the photo. I had that problem also. It only takes a couple seconds. I know that some of you were frustrated, but at least we now know how to convert the file. Okay, so the last thing that I want to talk to you about is how to access Nearpod on your phone. I understand that some of you needed a code to get into the Nearpod activity. I will make sure next time I have a link and a code for you ready to go in Google Classroom. And yes, we are going to use this to some capacity. So the first thing that I did is I went to Nearpod, but then it says, hey, you need to go and download the app. So you need to go to the Android or the Apple on your phone for apps and download. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my app. So I'm going to find where my Nearpod is. Okay, so it's right next to my JPEG converter, because I just showed you that in the last video. And then I'm going to go ahead and sign in. So for you, you're signing in as the student, and then there's the code if that's how you want to do like the self-paced activity. Remember, I'm showing this to you to get the photos into your activity. Okay. So I'm signing in with my Google account. And then it's going to send me, because I'm your teacher, into the library. Now here's the thing. So here are my different lessons. This was the lesson I had you guys try. And I'm going to launch it. Oh, actually, I'm not going to launch it. I'll just go. This was that self-paced activity. And then when we got into the draw slides, where I was trying to get you to be able to insert a photo. So here's that insert a photo. And some of you are like, what is happening? So in this slide, it actually had an insert photo. And if you do it straight from your iPhone or your Android, you can insert the photo here. So if you're wondering how we insert the photo, do it from your phone. Okay, so don't save it to your drive or anything like that. You can do it straight in. Again, if you need more help on this, stay after class and I will help you. Okay, hopefully the tech will all be taken care of. And otherwise, I will talk to you later.